to an immature form to an adult form in 2 or more distinct stages. Just like our birthday girl who's celebrating her 7th birthday today, and we will be witnessing how the celebrants unveil her metamorphosis in front of your eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the celebration of love, happiness, and life with Lara Arwen. Isang palakpakan naman po namin kasama si Kawan! Live at the foreground of Realistic Clubhouse, Changuito province of Bulacan, let us all witness the parade of the characters.
Hear ye, hear ye, all the kings and queens, princes and princesses, knights and nobles. It is by decree of the Lord and Lady that the people of the manor are invited to attend the noble birthday party of Lara Arwen as she turned 7 on the 16th of March in the year of 2024. Thou have been summoned to join in the royal ball at the Green Estate Clubhouse in the village of Chao, in the county of Quirino. Thou is now entering the grand ball of the palace. Please welcome our princess for today, Princess Lara Arwen Javier.
Together with his brother Lars or Ulrich Javier. With Mommy Rosel Javier and Daddy Kenneth Javier. Once again, this is the moment that we have been waiting for. The remarkable grand entrance of our celebrant. Be mesmerized, be captivated, and get ready as she walk down the aisle. Ladies and gentlemen, our celebrator Lara Arwen G. Javier. Ate and Kuya dito po sa para magkaroon po tayo ng family picture. Basta ganun po natin dito sa harapan si Mami at si Dad. Saka si Kuya po.